If you've been seeing ads for the Usbesty portable AC and wondering if it's actually worth buying, here's what I found. At first glance, it looks pretty appealing. It's advertised as a compact, portable air conditioner that's easy to set up, energy efficient, and capable of cooling your space in minutes. Sounds great, right? But after looking into it, I think the marketing is a bit misleading. The biggest issue is that there's no clear evidence this is a true air conditioner with a compressor and exhaust system. Instead, it appears to work more like a personal air cooler or fan, which means it can provide some relief if you're sitting close to it, but don't expect it to cool an entire room. Another concern is the lack of verified customer reviews and detailed product specifications, making it difficult to confirm the performance claims. So, is the Usbesty portable AC worth it? If you're just looking for a small personal cooling device, it might be okay. But if you're expecting the performance of a real portable air conditioner, you'll probably end up disappointed. I'd recommend investing in a portable AC from a well-known brand instead. It may cost more up front, but you're much more likely to get the cooling performance you're actually paying for.